Oh, he got it. Should we rip on it again?
Uh-huh.
One more time for good luck.
Let's go.
What up, guys? This is an 18 Burcon, 603 horsepower.
This is that guy! This guy!
That was insane.
Steve, leave that bunny alone. No, doesn't like you.
He's my friend.
Doesn't like you, Steven.
We're friends.
Look, that one's already dead.
No, it's not, look, it's not dead. Look at it. It's her toy.
Don't play with a dead bunny!
Alright guys, today is a special day. Today is one of our followers, 5-year-old Owen. His dream is to go for a ride in a cool sports car. So I take my Corvette down there today and take him for a ride. There's my menace to society right there.
Where'd you go?
I had to pee.
You could have peed at home.
That was 5 minutes ago.
God.
I said, I have the bladder of a pregnant woman. You ready to rip?
Good to go.
Let's go.
Oh, Steve, look at that mechanic shop right there.
Yeah, it's my shop, and for some reason, Graham's still at work. What are you doing, Graham?
Go home.
And why is the open sign on?
Ah, the worst.
We've been closed for hours. Should we rip on it again?
Uh-huh.
One more time for good luck.
Let's go. Buddy, wait for me. Thank you. Oh, what a nice guy. Backing up for me. What a nice guy.
Go, Hobby.
Hey, thanks for picking me up.
Yeah, no worries.
It's real kind of you.
That's what I'm here for.
Steve, don't rip in here, okay?
No ripping here, no, not in the city.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Because we're good kids.
Exactly.
Kids right there.
See it? Oh yeah, there you are. I brought you some stuff. And if it's too small, I'm sure your friends would wear it or something. That's great. Do you want to go for a ride? Yeah. So, yeah, that's good. No, it's really good. When's the actual surgery?
June 7th.
Oh, right around the corner.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It was really cool. In hospital, like she said.
Time I parked my car. I'm always underground.
So, Owen, you good to go, buddy? You ready to jump in?
Ask you about it, and I'll go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really excited.
Hey, Owen, do you have a favorite vehicle? Do you have a favorite car? Do you have a favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue? Oh.
Blue's my favorite.
Oh, look at that. In there, buddy.
How long of a drive do you want? I've got all the time in the world. Well, we'll just go around town for a bit. Do you want me to phone you on my way back? Or?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, just let me know.
Okay, yeah. We'll go down Railway and we'll go around town. And...
Give a few minutes, alright, okay?
Can you get that on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had one of these before.
Okay. So it's kind of low down there. Can you see it? You good, bud? All right.
See you, Mama.
All right. You all ready? All right. Do you like the windows down or do you like the windows rolled up? You like them down? Yeah, the other way. Yeah, you can push it. There you go. There you go.
Want to say bye to the camera? Say bye.
Bye.
You're gonna. All right. I should turn off. What was your other favorite car?
Camaro and the Challenger.
Oh, those are pretty cool, hey? Do you like going fast?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Me and Dad went in the Camaro fast.
Well, I'll go fast for you if you want to go fast.
Yeah.
You want to go fast?
Yeah.
All right, I got you. You ready? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Where should we go now? Should we go straight? Or
Over here.
that way? Okay.
Yeah.
You're gonna be 6 soon?
Yeah.
How long till you're 6?
Well, after my whole family gets their birthday.
Oh man, that seems like forever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is your birthday in the winter or summer? When is it?
I don't know.
You're not sure. Is it usually hot to your birthday or cold?
Well, sometimes it's hot and cold.
Oh, okay.
There's a blue Mustang like over there.
That Mustang, yeah, that's nice, eh? That's a good job. You recognize that? Yeah? You like Mustangs?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But that was the one that me and Dad had for time for.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Going straight?
Yeah, keep going straight.
All right.
And then, actually turn and then go back straight.
Turn there.
Yeah, and then go back straight.
Okay. Now where do I go?
Going over here.
Turn over. You want to do a burnout?
Yeah.
This car doesn't really do burnouts. It's meant to go fast, so it doesn't do great ones. I'll bring a car that'll do a burnout though.
Okay.
How's that, Owen?
Good.
It was good? Did you go fast? Yeah.
Can you get a bit? Let's see. Let me help you.
Was this fun? Yeah. Did you go first? Yeah.
First thing he said, can we go on the on-ramp where my dad goes? Like,
What?
the on-ramp.
No, like when we go down, like the hill to the over.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, he showed me his old daycare. Yeah.
Gave you a tour of what?
Oh yeah, we went all over. I let him direct me. We went all over the place.
Baby.
He's adorable. Oh, he wanted to see the engine.
Oh, an engine.
See the engine in the back of this car.
Go and see Mama.
You might have to lift him up.
Oh, it's
No, that's just where it goes. See, the engine's back here
Oh yeah.
instead of in the front.
Is it me?
How fast did you go?
You do a burnout? I'm like, this car doesn't really do burnout. yeah. I told him I'll bring the Lamborghini. That'll do a burnout.
Does that sound good?
And it's your favorite color.
And it's his favorite color, yeah. Oh, he can. When did Bentley? Yeah, we went to.
That too sometimes about like just normal Jeeps that looks like a Hummer. And I'm
Like
like,
you though, like my Jeep look or my Hummer looked like a
yeah.
Jeep.
I was like mini Hummer.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Well, thanks, Owen.
Thanks.
Hey, buddy.
Bye.
Thanks for seeing me.
Welcome.
Bye, Owen.
Bye.
Is that pretty cool?
How was that, Steve?
That was good. You know what? I had a really good time. Owen, if you're watching this, I had an awesome time. I wish you nothing but the best, and I'll see you in a couple weeks, bud.
Yeah, well, like and subscribe and
Yeah,
stuff.
do all the fun stuff, yeah.
See you later, Steve.
See you, bud.